Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the spooky world of Halloween with our 4-pack 80 LED solar Halloween pumpkin lights, the perfect addition to your outdoor decor. These upgraded Halloween decorations feature 3D designed swaying pumpkins that emit a spooky orange glow, creating an eerie atmosphere that's sure to thrill your neighbors and guests. Each pack includes 80 LED lights with ground stakes, making it easy to transform your garden or patio into a festive Halloween wonderland. Simply assemble the lights, insert the stakes into the ground where there's direct sunlight, and let the intelligent light sensor do the rest, automatically turning on at dusk and off at dawn. Built to withstand various weather conditions, these waterproof and durable lights are ideal for illuminating your backyard, pathway, or even an outdoor park, adding a touch of Halloween magic to any setting. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to spread some festive cheer, these solar pumpkin lights are the perfect choice for all occasions. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your Halloween decor with these hauntingly beautiful lights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.